Hi everybody, it's Janet with SugarShine Designs and welcome to my channel. Today I'm here for Creative Escape Paper Crafting and we're going to look at the November 2018 Fully Loaded Kit. Here is this month's kit and it's full of things that are from brands like Memory Box, Lawn Fawn, Pebbles, and Cartabella. And you'll get a list of all the items in the kit and then additionally you'll get a list of all the designers. So we have 5 total designers working on this kit right now. We've got 3 video folks, that's Jen, Janet, myself, and Elaine, and then guest designers Judy and Andy, and they're down here at the bottom of the list. So all of us are doing fun stuff for you with this kit. You'll get lots of ideas. Now don't forget the Facebook fan page because there's going to be contests and some prizes and things given away there too. So please go there and visit. Now let's take a look at the small bag. We've got this fun Lawn Fawn small set. It's called Oh What Fun, with this cute sled and the bear and then these sentiments for the Christmas season. And then if you're a subscriber you get the matching die set, so that's a great bonus. Subscribers always get an extra something in their kit and it's always different, so this month it was that matching die. Now here's another die that comes in this month's kit. This is fantastic. This is a memory box die, and to be honest with you guys, this is the first memory box die I've ever had experience with. But this one is so detailed and beautiful. There's this gorgeous snowflake in the center, and the cool thing about this is you can get other centers for this die to go inside, including a nativity scene and some advent candles. So it's just really cool, and you can see that the lacy design around the center of the snowflake is also very pretty. So we'll find lots of ways to use that in this month's kit. Additionally, we have this great 12 by 12 sheet. It's really considered to be a journal and card sheet, but these are great to cut out and put on your card fronts. They make the easiest and quickest cards when you have such beautiful graphics to work with. And that one is by Cartabella. Now going back to the little baggie of items, I'm going to pull out the custom mix of sequins called Prancer. And these are adorable, guys. I wanted to show you kind of the things that are in here. So there are these deer, and there are gold and blue foil deer. And then we've got a bunch of different size sequins and stars, both circle and star shaped. There's silver, gold stars. We've got white sequins. We've got red, blue, gold, and silver sequins in there too. So, oh, and there's also these large white snowflakes. I didn't pull one out to show you, but they're in there, and you'll see that on a card in the 10 cards video, I'm quite sure. All right, so that is the sequins mix. I can see a lot of fun things with that, especially, of course, a shaker card. And then let's look at the paper stock. So you get 12 sheets of 6x6 double-sided paper by Cartabella. This is also Santa's Workshop. It's the same line as the journaling cards we took a look at. And so these are two-sided, so I'm going to take a look at the first side. This has got a lot of nice little cut-aparts there if you wanted to use it for that. And Santa's sleigh. Here's a bunch of just Christmas items. This pretty snowflake paper. And this is gorgeous. You know, this is a great example. The next few sheets here, you can see how vintage this set is. It reminds me of probably the 50s or 60s or something. Look at these Santas and some more little cut-aparts that match the 12 by 12 cut-apart sheet. The classic red pickup truck. We've got a nice word paper here, and this really neat scene of the North Pole. And the paper that looks like wind and snow. Let's turn it over. This is also one of my favorites in here. It's so soft and pretty with the trees and snow and blue. Here's a stripe paper, diagonal stripe, some more hollies, wood grain in the background with garland, the red and white check, some more snowy blue and white paper, snowflakes on a red background, wreaths on another wood background. And I like this one. This has got 24 days to write a little bit of something in here. And I think I'm going to use this for a December daily. I'm going to save it. And hopefully you'll see it in a future post, not too far from now. So I'm going to keep that one. Now on one side, we've just got a nice blue here. And another very retro feeling piece of paper there with different Christmas images. I love this set. It's so pretty. Now here are the full sheets of 8.5 by 11 paper. This is the white cardstock. It's 110 pound, very heavy and alcohol ink friendly. And then we've got a full sheet of beautiful red, that cherry red, and some craft. Now we've got also some sheets of specialty papers. So we've got the white glitter paper, there's a silver glitter, and this pretty blue foil. It's just gorgeous. I really like that one. And then we've got some nice Christmas green paper as well. And so all these will coordinate very nicely with the paper stocks and the images that were included so far that we've seen. Now we've also got a whole host of ribbons and twines. CEP kits always come with a great selection of these, and so here's this beautiful light blue ribbon. It is really, really pretty. And then we've got white and silver ribbon, also very pretty. I really like that as well. Very holiday, very retro again. I think with our graphics it'll go great. There's a nice green ribbon, kind of a satin ribbon there. And then we've got some twines. We have red and white twine, and then we've got gold and white twine. So there's some gold filament wrapped into that white twine, so it's very pretty. All right, well, let's dig into the baggie and pull out the next item, and that's going to be this 8 assorted tags. They're from Pebbles, and it's from their Cozy and Bright collection. So we've got a couple, well, I guess 3 strippy type, and then 5 full-size tags. And then last but not least, I was given a sheet of specialty paper. This is an add-on for this month's kit, and isn't it pretty? This is a white 12 by 12 sheet with these gorgeous silver foiled snowflakes. So I thank you, CEP, for sending me that as a little extra goodie to show you guys. Well, I'd hope you agree that this kit is just stuffed with Christmas goodness, and I know these will make up very quick cards, which we do appreciate in the months of November and December. All right, so now I'm going to show you something that I made with my kit. It is an ornament. And I really wanted to show you guys that you can do a lot more than just cards with this kit. This is a perfect example. What I did here was I used the memory box die, cut 4 of them out. I folded each piece in half and then glued them together with a piece of the white and gold twine in the center to hold everything together and to suspend the snowflake. Then at the top of that, I tied a beautiful blue bow using the included organza blue ribbon that came in the kit. And then I attached 2 silver bells that I had in my stash to the bottom. And I think it turned out great. It reminds me a lot of the movie Frozen, actually, because of that icy blue color and just the beautiful lacy snowflake. If you guys would like a tutorial showing how I made this, just let me know in the comments. If there's enough interest, I'll be happy to do that as an extra video this month with the kit. Well, that finishes things up for me today. I hope you'll check out this kit over at CEP, and I'll put the links in my video description. It's always my pleasure to be with you here today. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't be shy about hitting that bell next to the subscribe button, because then you'll get notifications when I post my next video. All right, I'll see you soon, but until then, keep crafting. Bye!